Math 102, example 1.9.2 version B. So now instead of the equation, we're given a shape and a description of transformations, and we'd like to find the equation. Now I'm going to start by graphing this, and then I'm going to use my calculator to check this. So we're going to go down 1 and left 3, which will put me about there. And then we're going to shrink it, so it's going to look very flat and reflect about the x-axis. And it's the square root graph. So my graph should look something vaguely like that. So to get the equation, let's put in the square root and then the x, because we know those are in there. The down 1, that's vertical, so it's on the outside, so minus 1. We're going to go left 3, that's on the inside. And remember, that's backwards from how we think it should be, so plus 3. Any stretch or shrink is something I multiply out in front. And again, it's an x-axis reflection, so that means I put the negative sign out in front as well. Let's get our calculators up and check that. So negative 1/2, and then the square root of x plus 3. Make sure the plus 3 is underneath the radical, but the minus 1 is outside. And then let's graph that. And yes, that does look pretty similar to what I graphed by hand. Again, the stretches and shrinks, I exaggerate a little bit by hand, just so that you can tell that I have done them. But you can use the table on the calculator and get exact ordered pairs if that's a helpful thing to have.